In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can change the default dictionary that is used in Microsoft Excel, as well as make some edits that can make it most useful to you. So to do this, you can go to File, then all the way down to Options, and from here, you're going to want to click on Proofing. Now that we're in proofing, you can go all the way down to the bottom, and it says dictionary language, right? It says English United Kingdom, but as I could change it to English United States, and you can pretty much have the language change to whichever language you would like. Oftentimes it's kind of just based on some of the default languages that you have installed in your Excel. And if you want to add a new language, click on language right here and add a language. As you can see, you can also kind of change some settings right here to make it work best for you. So you can suggest items from a main dictionary only. You can have a custom dictionary. You can enforce accepted uppercase and French, and just different things that can make it more useful for you. We found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.